Everything you've been told about growing capital is broken. You raise money, you invest, you wait, then you see returns that barely keep pace with your ambitions. The frustration eats you alive. You feel stuck in a loop where your funds perform, but never at the speed or scale you desperately need. It's maddening. You watch others closing new rounds, launching bigger projects, while your capital sits idly, trapped inside old assets, slow like molasses. You're furious because you know better. You know capital should be working as hard as you do, pivoting, adapting, relentlessly fueling growth, not gathering dust. Here's the brutal truth. Traditional investment cycles are a relic, a straitjacket strangling innovation. Old school buy and hold? It's killing your momentum, your edge. The market changes too fast. Customer needs morph in weeks. Tech evolves in months. If your capital is locked down for years, your chances to strike while the iron's hot vanish before your eyes. You're sitting on top of mountains of potential, yet feeling powerless because the power's frozen. It sucks. But now, right this second, there's a way out. A weapon in your arsenal screaming to be unleashed. Capital recycling isn't a trend, it's a revolution. It's the pulse beating beneath every winning founder's war chest and every sharp investor's strategy. Here's the unspoken secret. Your money isn't just money. It's speed, agility, and ammunition in an ongoing battle against obsolescence. Recycling your capital, exiting assets faster, redeploying proceeds into fresh live opportunities, turns your portfolio from a slow, lumbering dinosaur into a ruthless predator. It's about harvesting wins early, cutting losses faster, and flooding your pipeline with fresh dry powder to seize the next breakthrough. No more waiting years to cash out. No more bets stuck in limbo. This is how you smoke out failure before it drags you under and harness success to snowball faster than anyone else. Here's how you smash the system that's been holding you back. First, never get emotionally attached to a single asset. It's not your baby, it's your fuel. Treat each investment like a springboard, not a trophy. Set aggressive exit criteria from day one. This means clear milestones, sharp timelines, and unwavering discipline to pull the trigger as soon as value peaks or declines. Second, design your fund or portfolio structure with recycling in mind. Layered investments and exit vehicles that make rapid capital turnarounds not just possible, but inevitable. Forget, set and forget. It's allocate, accelerate, and reallocate nonstop. Third, build relationships with LPs and co-investors who get that agility is the game changer, not just stability or size. Partners who demand fast returns, not endless patience. Align incentives so everyone's hungry for the recycling rhythm. Now listen, if your strategy is stuck in the past, you're bleeding value. The world prizes speed and adaptability. If capital isn't flowing like oxygen to new ventures, you're suffocating your own potential. This isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for those who see their fund as a living, breathing beast, needing constant feeding and quick reshaping. Winners recycle. Winners evolve. Winners refuse to be limited by old rules or slow cash cycles. This is how you build an unstoppable legacy, not a museum of historic holdings. The most ruthless and visionary founders and investors aren't waiting for market cycles to align. They create their own cycles by fast recycling, reinvesting, and building momentum that no one else can catch. This is your clarion call. Own the process of capital recycling. Master it ruthlessly, obsessively, emotionally. Throw out the illusion of comfort in long locks. Become the force that outpaces complacency, outthinks stagnation, and outpaces everyone else. Capital that never rests, never settles, keeps winning. Dare to rise above the old illusions. Stuck funds, slow exits, false security. The freedom to unlock, recycle, and redeploy capital is your key to domination. Start treating your assets like living things, flexible, fast, and fiercely responsive to the world's brutal pace. Stop being a prisoner of the slow. Start the cycle of power, now and every day that follows. No excuses, no delays. The future belongs to the relentless recyclers. Will you be one of them, or just a spectator watching opportunity slip away?